Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is a game changer. I'm pulling back the curtain on a niche that is currently exploding on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. 3D science animations. These videos are pulling in millions of views because people are obsessed with seeing how their bodies work. Best of all, you don't need to be a doctor or a pro animator. I'm going to show you how to create this 100% free, 100% monetizable content using only AI. But first, look at the quality of what we're making today.
Every sip of a strawberry milkshake begins an incredible journey inside the human body. As the creamy blend enters the mouth, the brain instantly reacts, triggering pleasure signals and anticipation. The milkshake flows down into the stomach, where acids and enzymes begin breaking it apart, separating sugars, fats, and proteins. Deep within the intestines, microscopic structures extract glowing nutrients. Step 1. Generating prompts with ChatGPT. So first, I have a specific prompt for this, so I'll provide this prompt in the description below. Now copy this prompt, go to ChatGPT, and paste it. And ChatGPT will ask you, enter the name of the food or drink. So I chose strawberry milkshake, but you can pick orange juice, milk, or any fruit. It will then give you detailed image prompts and video prompts. So here, your image and videos prompts are ready. Step 2. Creating images using ImageFX. So search ImageFX, click on this first website, and first you have to sign in with your Google account. Then this interface will appear on your screen. Okay, so copy your first image prompt and paste it here. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 because we are creating a short video. Lock the seed number for consistency. Hit Create, so wait for a while and you'll get 4 high-quality images. Preview the images one by one and download the ones you like. Now again, copy your second image prompt and paste it here and simply hit Create. So here is the result. Simply preview the images and download the one you like. And for more images, follow the same process and create all your images. Step 3. Animating the images using Grok AI. Now we need to turn these images into videos. So for this, use Grok AI. It's free. Search Grok AI, then open this first website. First, sign in with your Google account. Now go to the Imagine section. From here, select Video and Aspect Ratio. Okay, now from here, upload your image. Now paste the video prompt that ChatGPT gave you earlier and hit Generate. Okay, so here is the result. And from here, download your video. Now again, upload another image and copy second video prompt and paste it here and hit Create. And here is the result. If you do not like the result, you can recreate it also from this Redo option.
Okay, so now follow the same process and create all your videos. Step 4. AI voiceover using Google AI Studio. For the narration voiceover, I use Google AI Studio. But first, create the narration in ChatGPT. Just type, "Give me its 50 seconds narration." And here, your narration script is ready. Okay, now search Google AI Studio, open this website,
and click on Get Started. Now click on Text to Speech with Gemini. Here, select Single Speaker Audio, and from here, select any voice of your choice. So I select this one. Now copy the script and paste it here, and hit Create. So your audio is ready, and simply download it from here.
Part 5. Final Editing. For editing, I use Adobe Premiere. You can use CapCut or any other software. So bring all your clips and audio into your editor. Now drag the clips on the timeline. Okay, I do not like this AI-generated background music, so I am going to remove this. Now let me adjust the clips with voiceover. Okay, so your final video is ready. And there you have it, a professional 3D science animation ready for YouTube. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.